Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Today this topic is attorney forming a professional nursing corporation in California by the law office of licensing APC. Nursing is one of the most important occupations and the workplace environment is changing rapidly. According to data from the California Board of Registered Nursing, there are more than 87,000 active registration nurses in the state. If you are considering starting a nursing company in California, it is crucial that your business has the right legal structure. A nursing corporation is a specialized type of business entity designed for firms offering services within the nursing profession. Here, our former business formatting lawyers highlights the key thing to know about professional nursing corporation in California. Grade is called after age 50. If you are over the age of 50 and considering a divorce, you are not alone. The rate of divorce of people over age 50 has soared in recent years. In fact, it's so common that it has been dubbed great divorce. In this blog post, you will discuss great divorce and the reason why couples are calling it quick later than in life. Operating will intoxicate under my law. How many drinks in zero at the legal limit? Making a determination of a person's approximate blood alcohol level based on a number of drinks is an incomplete and unawareness question. Without more information, the alcohol that enters a drink's bloodstream is going to be distributed through the drink body. A very large person that likes squall or nail will require 3 to 4 times the number of drinks that an Olympic gymnastic would consume to reach at the same base level. Also, they live in the primary organ by which eliminate is processed. The normal human liver, when functionality properly, eliminate about 0.015 gram percent per hour. Sweden's scientific Eric Whitman, who was the organically for early research almost a country ago, used 0.017 gram per hour. This well-known mathematical formula has been used to estimate a person's approximate blood alcohol consumption since in 1913. Owner of real estate in Florian in the past few years has taken a new development process by building new urban areas. Around 30 cities were newly established. The law and regulation encourage investors to invest and they buy real estate with certain rules and regulation to avoid any. At the same time, it's ground for an investor. Thanks for watching this video.